Good eye, good eye.
Come on, Jack. There you go, buddy.
All right, now you're ready. Now you're ready.
Good job, Jack. Good job, Jack. That's 4.
All right, all right.
That's 2 strikes. 2 strikes right off.
It's 2-2.
Good, Jack. All right, Jack, get him on this one, buddy.
3-2. Be smart about it.
Grant, get off the bag. Get off the bag, dude.
Run it out, run it out, run it out.
Second base, second base, second base.
Go 2, go 2, go 2.
Good.
Good.
Job, Ben.
Go. Slide, slide. Go, go, go. All right. Good job. You all right? All right.
Hey, Jack, way to pick, buddy.
Let's go, Baxter. Keep it going.
Guys, don't make 2 bad throws. Don't make 2 bad errors. Just make 1, all right?
Grant, get off the base.
Grant, you got
Good eye, good eye.
first, buddy. You got to run to that bat, okay? Field first. Field position first.
Oh. Come on down.
All right, Jack, don't worry about it, buddy. It's okay.
Where'd get you at on the back? You all right? Right there? He's all right. Remember what I told you. Wait. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Call it! All right, Noah!
That's all right, that's all right.
Great job!
Way to get a piece of it. That's all right.
How many outs, guys? Talk to each other!
That's 1 out. Come on, Bryant.
Talk to Jack, guys. Let him know how he's doing.
Base. Let's go. Look up.
Good pitch, Jack.
Woo!
Good pitch,
It's a
Jack.
very good pitch.
Jake, you got your helmet, your gloves, everything on? You ready to go?
Every pitch break off the base. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Grant, scoot off, scoot off, scoot off, scoot off, scoot off. There you go. All right, Jack. Shot, buddy. Good job, Noah.
What you breaking off that base, Baxter? Hold on, hold on. Go.
Good pitch,
Go,
Jack.
go,
Good
go.
pitch.
Good pitch, Jack. Good job.
Good pitch.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Good job, Carter. Good job, Carter.
It's 3-2. 3-2. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Oh, go down, go down, go down.
It's all right,
Go,
Jack.
go to
Don't worry
second.
about it, buddy. Okay. All right, Jack.
You all right? You all right? Back. You sure?
Talk to each other. How many outs? Where's the play? Where's the play, Ben?
Get ready. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
move, Noah. Good job, Bryce. Way to move, Grant. Good job, guys. Infield, you got to get that third
Keep working
base,
your back.
all right? Start the third. Good block, Carter.
It's a good catcher. They got a good catcher. Good, just stay there. That's good, that's good. You all right? Oh, boy, you be fine. You tough. Go, go.
Hold on to it, Carter. Hold it. Good job, Carter. Hey, Jack. Jack, on a pass ball, you got to cover home plate, all right? Carter, he's going to be there. Just toss it to him. Throw strikes, buddy. Good throw. Good throw. Good throw, Jack.
It's 3-2, Theo, 3-2. Protect the plate. Be smart about it. Ooh.
Yeah!
It's all right.
Good job, Jack.
It's all right.
Somebody else, guys. Bryce, somebody else. Where do you go with the ball, infield?
Go to first and third.
Jack, home plate, buddy. You got to run to home.
Let's go, Evan.
Home plate, Jack. Hold on to it, Carter. Hold on to it. Don't throw it. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job, Jack. Great job, Carter. Good throw, Jack.
Good eye. 3-0.
Jack,
All right.
do a complete stop, okay?
Come on down. Way to wait him out. Good. Good eye.
Good, Jack. 2 outs, guys. 2 outs. Get ready. Good throw, Jack.
Now you're ready. Now you're ready. All right, let's go, Drew. Come on. Go get him.
Good throw, Jack. Come on, buddy. One more, Jack. Come on, Jack. Get it. Home plate, Jack. Home plate. Home plate.
Slide. Ha! Woo!
Baseball ready. Sports stance. Harper, sports stance.
Place it first, guys.
Yeah.
Theo.
There you go, Theo. That's the way to start it. Let me get my usual spot.
Back up baseball.
Let's go.
There was sports stance, buddy.
All right, all right.
Good swing. Right on it, bud.
Stay right in there.
There you
All
go.
right.
Come on, guys.
That's one. Call it out. That's one. Call it out.
That's one, boys. Call it
Hey,
out.
one down. Plays it first.
Let's go now.
Hey, Bryant, talk him up, bud.
Keep him going.
Go, Carter. Hustle up, buddy.
It was 27. On the other pitcher? Yeah, 27.
Confirm after every inning so we know.
Yep.
Go. Go, guys. Plays it first.
Cover.
Hold
No, he touched it out.
Hey, Evan! Way to cover first, bud.
Good move.
Good job, back it up, back it up.
Let's go now.
That's when you cover second, just in case you get caught.
Hey, Joel, he's late.
It's coming over there. You ready, Sam? First. It's all right. It's all right. Got to run on first, one out.
Plays up first and second, guys.
Baxter, call it out.
Good catch.
Evan, you got to back him up at second. Good. That's good. He's on it. Hey, Drew, get ready.
Good pitch.
Good job, Hartley.
David.
Back up baseball.
David. Oh, yeah. Hey. That's all right. That's a good first throw. That's good, Baxter. That's good. You're all right.
That was a great throw, buddy.
That's a good first throw.
Plays up first.
Play still at first.
Good job, Baxter.
Yeah. Stay in there. Big heart, Theo. Big heart.
Good hit, Jake. Good hit. Let's go, buddy.
Good catch.
Hey, way to stop that, Baxter. Way to stop it, bud.
David, if he's going to be throwing first, you roll it over. Guess what? You're going to throw first.
But do back up. Just in case we get happy. That's good. Don't worry. That's good. No worries. No worries.
First and second, guys. Let's go.
Remember the plan. Stay with the plan. Stay with the plan.
David, come on, Bryce. Get a base hit, buddy. Let's go. David, back up.
Theo, you're all right, man. Big heart. You're fine.
Let's go. Sam, back up and move this way.
Big stride, Theo. Big stride.
Sam.
Hey, man. Give me some. All right. That's it. Let's go, Theo.
Bryce. Cheer up, Sophie. Come on.
Bring it to him, Theo.
Let's go, Joel.
Stay on the gas, Theo. You got it, my man. Y'all chat it up out there.
Let's get it, Theo.
Let's go, Bryce. Let's go, buddy.
Sports stance.
There it is. There we go. Stay right there. That's it. That's it. Right there.
Baseball ready, Bandits. Let's go. Baseball ready.
Good. Good play. Good play. That's 2 outs. Where's the play?
Any base, guys. Any base. Right. Grab all of you. All you got to do is tag it, right? Easiest way, infield.
Sports stands, boys. Come on. Let's look like we're in it. Let's go. Yeah.
Good. Good deal. Right to the glove, Theo. Right to the glove, bud. There you go.
Yeah. Good.
All right, Theo.
Good job. Come on, Theo. Just throw it down the middle.
Stay with it, Theo.
Got it, Theo.
It's all right. It's all right.
Hold it, hold it.
Hold the ball.
Infield, plays it first.
Baxter. Baxter. Play at first base. The plays it first. The plays it first. That's right. Good block. Good block.
Sam, you're going to back up first in a minute. You're good right there, but just be prepared to back up.
Protect that plate if it gets by you. Protect that plate.
There you go.
Yeah! Bring it in. Yeah. Hey.
Come on, Jack.
Good eye, good eye, good eye.
Get that ball, Jake. There you
Good,
go.
good, good.
All right, Jack. Let's go, buddy. Get on the
It's
plate.
3-0. Come on down. Stay here. Remember what I said about running, right? Okay. Here we go, here we go.
Talk to
Hold
each
on,
other.
hold on. Come on, Sam.
Please, get off the base.
Is that Sam? Who is that hitting? Carson?
Noah,
David?
scoot this way. You don't have to be that close.
Go, 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 go.
Hold it, hold it, hold
Go,
it.
go, go. All right. You sound too much like me, Coach.
Runner on second.
It just gets worse from there, right?
There you go, Jake. Go get that ball, buddy. Miles, you got to get ready for that runner to come. He's going to throw it to you. Jake, if he runs, you got to throw him out, buddy. Jay Connor, you need to make sure you can back up third. Ben, you ready, buddy? There you go.
It's 3-1. Wait on the good pitch. It's got to be that a swing. Come on down. Toss it over and come on down.
Hold it, Jake. Hold it.
Come on, come on, come on, Carson. You good? All right. If I tell you to go, you don't hesitate. You take off.
You gotta cover home plate, okay? Jake,
Let's go, Jackson.
you gotta get to Jack.
Let's go, Jackson. Go, 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 go.
Jake. Jack, get back there. Let him throw the ball to you right there, buddy.
Let's go, Jackson. Oh, that was good.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Come on, Jackson. Stay in there.
Jack, let me complete the stop.
Yeah. That was good. Let's go. It's 3-1. Stay in there. Stay in there. You're okay.
Yeah, good shot, Jack. Good shot, Jack.
Jackson, stay in there.
Come on,
Stay in there.
Dragons, can't hear you. Oh.
Ooh. Come on down. Come on down.
Get him back, guys.
All right.
Push
Stay
his
right here.
back.
Stay
Try
right
and
here.
get that lead
This
runner
base is
home
loaded.
plate.
Just stay right here. Stay right here. Oh. Come on, David. Keep your head in there. That's good. Swing.
Come on, Jack. Come on, buddy.
Whoa.
Have fun, Jack. Have fun. There you go. Back each other up, guys. Ben, scoot in, Ben. Home plate, Jack. Hurry up.
Slap. Touch the base. Touch the base. Touch the base.
Plays it first, infield. Plays it first. Grant, scoot to your right. Good stop, Jake. More, Jack. More, Grant. More, Grant. More, Grant.
Good job. Good job.
Ramden. buddy. Have fun. There you go. Good throw, Jack.
It's right in there. Come on, Sam, now you're ready. Good eye.
Good throw, Jack.
Good eye. Get back in there a little closer. Too far away. Oh, that's
Good
good.
ball, Jack. Right behind you.
Sam, scoot into the plate a little bit.
Come on, Jack. Bases loaded, guys. There you go, Jack.
That's 2 out. Got 2
Pitch,
out.
Jack.
We're running. There's 2 outs. 2. There's 2 outs. We're running. We're running, boys. We're running on the crack of the bat. We're running.
Any
Run.
bag, guys. Any bag. Any
When he hits it,
bag.
run. There's 1 out. 1 out. Stay.
Get the closest out, guys. Closest out.
Let's go, Joe.
Hurry up, Jack. Cover home plate. Hey, off, timeout. Off. Get it, Jake. Get it, Jake.
Get back.
Good hustle, Jack. Good hustle.
Run it. Run it. Turn. Go. Go. Go.
Jack, you gotta work. Good pitch, Jack.
Let's go, Baxter. Get back on.
Get that ball, Jake. Get that ball.
Back, Joe.
Way to hold on to it. Good job. Good job, guys. Way to cover, Jack. Hey, don't throw that ball to second with the guy on third, Jake. Way to back up, Ben. You ready, Bryce?
All right. Way to be on it, Baxter. Slide!
Ready, caller. Baseball ready.
Go, 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 go.
Second.
Go, go, go.
Go. Run it down.
All right.
Good.
Good job. Good job.
Theo.
Hey, infield. Place it first. Hey, good hit, buddy.
Plays it first.
Daddy want it? Pick it up. Hey, infield. Plays it first. Evan, get in your position.
You'll be ready to back up home.
Good swing. Stay right there, Theo.
Theo, right there, bud. Good job. Way to block that ball back there. Let's go.
Harper,
Keep
pay
it in front of
attention.
you.
Carter, baseball ready.
How many pitches does he have?
Come on, Grant. Right to the middle.
How many pitches he got? Yeah. He's in his sweet spot. This is his sweet spot. This is where he's going to do the damage. See? Plays it first.
Baxter, throw it out.
Stay on the gas, Theo.
Jackson, be ready to back up first.
Floated on.
Good stop,
It's all right.
Good job, Baxter.
Hmm?
Stop it.
No.
Good job, everybody.
It's all right. It's all right. We're good. Yeah, they got one. It's okay.
Oh, yeah?
That's okay.
Guys,
But that's okay. That was a good play.
easy hop to you. Just go to second. Let's go, Noah. Go, 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 go.
Oh! Oh! That's what I'm talking about. Put the gas in there. Let's go, guys.
Come on, Jake. Stop that ball.
Stay in there, Baxter.
Miles, you got to back up second base, all right, buddy?
Carter, get your hat on.
Back up second base.
Good eye.
Okay, Bryce.
Come on, Bryce. Don't worry about it, buddy. Have fun.
2-1. Let's go now.
Good shot, Bryce. Good shot, buddy.
Baxter's 3-1.
Come on, Bryce, take a deep breath.
3-2. Is it full? 3-2.
There you go.
There
Good
you
job.
go, Bryce.
Bryce, I like that.
Great job, Bryce. Bryce. Good job, buddy.
Let's go, Harper.
Take your time, man. Take your time. First base, first base.
Run it out, run it out, run it out, run it out, run it out.
Yeah! Good job, Dragon.
Hey, Bryce, good
That's all right,
pitch.
run it back. You're all right, you're all right. You got a piece of it. We'll take that.
Good job, Bryce. How many outs, guys? Talk to each other. Miles, how many outs, buddy?
Let's go, Bryant.
Come on, Bryce, settle down.
Let's go, Bryant. Run it out, run it out, run it out. Turn the base, turn, turn, turn. Come back, come back, come back. Good, good. Good job, good job.
Good
Hey,
job,
Bryce, good
guys.
pitch. Bryce, good pitch.
Let's go, Theo.
Good job, Brendan.
Listen to me.
Jake, get ready. All right? Throw her stance, buddy. Throw her stance.
Let's go, Theo. Listen to me.
Carter, Noah, you got to cover that bag.
Good job.
Come on, Theo. You ready now? Oh, going down.
Worry about it, Bryce.
Don't worry about that. You my tough guy. Let me see it. Where? Right here? You good? Let's go. Come on, Evan.
Pitch, Bryce.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Go, 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 go.
Jake, you got to move. Get that ball, buddy. You can't let it pass you. Bryce. Bryce, you got to run the home plate on a pass ball. Cover that plate, okay?
Slide! Get up, get up, get up. Out the way, out the way, out the way. Move. Slide. Woo. Could have been a good one. What was that? What bat number is this? What batter is this? This is their fourth batter?
No, this is their last batter.
All right, Theo, just get it down the middle. Just get it down the middle. Oh, he's this lead off? Yeah! Having a heck of a game, Theo. Heck of a game. This batter 2. Batter 2, the second batter. Yeah. It's all right. Deep breath.
Call it. Where's it first?
Way to get that mask off, Baxter. Come on, buddy.
Good hustle, Baxter.
Did you decline? Okay, well, you need
strikes
to,
on him,
if the
Theo.
coach asks you to go out, you need to let him know you're ready. Okay.
You ready? Oh, he's ready?
Oh, suck it up, man. I'm going to get your drink. Suck it up. Stop acting like you've been run over by cars. You're taking... No, you...
It's all right. It's all right.
I promise you didn't run over cars.
Baseball ready out
You're going to be all right. You're going to be all right.
Keep it in front of you, Baxter.
Baseball ready. Horse stance, Harper.
Oh, here you go. There you go. Go down, guys. Hustle up, Carter. Let's go. Hustle up.
Let's go. Let's go. What we got?
All right, Jake. Hey,
What we got?
get a hit.
Where's the play?
Baxter, call it out.
Plays up first, boys.
Yeah.
Oh.
No rubber band then.
Horse stance.
It's all right. It's all right.
Sam Evans. Baseball ready. Let's go.
Let's go, buddy. There you go. Go, 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 go.
Second! Second! Don't wait. Throw it! Throw it! Throw it! Throw it! Do not hold the ball. Throw it. Get it back in quick. Drew, talk to him. Let's go.
2 down, guys. Plays up first.
Call it out, Baxter.
Plays up first.
Evan, back up. Evan.
Yeah, let's go.
Give one to Carson, and then I want you to suck it up and play when you're asked to play.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it.
Save it.
Eat it.
Come on.
Baxter.
Hey, watch that throwback.
Plays up first, guys.
Come on, Baxter, quick on your feet. You got it.
Come on, Bryce. Get a hit.
Hey, D, put on your hat and
Good stuff, Baxter.
Go, Baxter. Hold Theo right to the middle.
The play still at first.
Cover home.
Yeah. The play still at first. Let's go now.
One more strike, boys. Plays up
Big
first.
play, Bryce. Come on, swing. There you go. Get out, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Theo.
Last time you hit it over here by third. Last time you hit it over here by third.
All right, hey, came over. Baxter, be ready. Harper, be ready.
He's came in. He's came in. Tag him.
Oh.
Over the top. Over the top.
Baxter, you need to get down low.
Plays up first, guys. Good hustle, Baxter. Good hustle. All right, Bryce.
Plays it first. Let's go now.
He hit over here last time. He's ready to cover second.
Catch it, Jackson. Second!
All right, good relay, good relay.
Way to get it in.
Way to get it in. Let's go, boys. It's all right. Come on, let's stop it right here. Stay right there. You're good, Theo. Big heart. Big heart, Theo.
Baxter, keep it in front of you.
Last time he struck out.
Mm-hmm. Long stride, Theo. Big heart. Eat it. Hold up. One more, Theo. Stay on the gas.
It's all ready, guys.
Let's go, E.
Bryce, throw strikes, buddy. There you go.
If you see it, kill it.
Good job, Bryce. Good job, buddy.
Good eye. It's got to be good for you to swing at it.
Jake, ready, Jake?
Good. Come on down.
Nice, good throw. Grant, you ready, buddy? Miles, you ready?
See what I mean?
Where's the runner,
Hold on,
guys?
hold on,
Where's the
hold on.
runner? Now where to go
Hold
with
on.
the ball?
Get ready. Get up from the base,
Carter,
from the
you
base.
gotta field your position first. Don't worry about that bag.
Go. Oh.
Sorry, Bryce.
You good?
Jake, you gotta
Yeah,
go
it just hit my helmet. I'm okay.
Sure.
Right, take it off. You got help behind. Don't worry about it. Right there.
Brandon, back up third, buddy. Good throw, good throw. Good throw, Bryce.
Bryce, that's where you at. Right there.
Get ready, E. Go.
Good job, Bryce. Hey, Bryce, you got to cover home plate, okay, on a pass ball.
Run it out.
First base.
Run! Go two.
Jack, stay there, Jack, stay here. Pay attention, guys, pay attention. Pay attention, Jack, pay attention, buddy.
Stay there.
Plays it there, buddy. Hey, now come here. What you do down that play?
Come on, Jackson. Jackson, get in the box. Get in the box.
Worry about the next one.
Get in the box. Get in the box. You're not in the box. Get in the box.
Hey, you got a runner on second, guys. Pay attention.
There you go.
Let's go.
He's at third.
Oh! That's all right. That's all right. Swing it. Swing it, man. Swing. Stay in there and swing. See, you can hit it. You can hit it. Stay in there and swing. You got this. Come on. I like that. I like that slide throw. David's out. He's out.
Good job.
David is out. Whatever number he is on there, David's out. Let's go, Sam. He hurt his pinky.
Hold on to it, Noah. Hold on to it. Good job, Bryce. Way to get up there. Hey, cover that plate, Noah. Bryce, cover that plate.
Here we go. Here we go.
One out, guys. One out.
Sam, come into the plate.
Hey, time out.
Sam, get in there.
There you go, Bryce. Good job, Bryce.
Got to swing. Good eye.
It's all right, Bryce.
It's a good eye. Sam, this is it. Come on. Wait for your pitch, but just go. Whoa.
Catch, Noah. Catch, Noah.
Come on down. Good job.
Jake, you cover second base. Baseball ready, guys.
Way to hold him out.
Baseball ready. One
Hold on.
out.
It's one out. It's one out.
One out.
So hold on. Hold on. You listening to me, right? You listening to me. My voice. Let's go, Joe.
Good job. Good job. Hey, Jake.
Go, go, go.
Good job, Bryce. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job.
Way to go, Sam. Let's go, Joel. You got him in place. Let's bring him home. Bring him home on this one, Joel. Let's go. I don't know how to stop him from doing that. He just like, oh, well, yeah. You got to protect the plate, Joel.
There you go.
Get here, get it, stay. Go, go, go. Way to go, Joel. Whoa.
Carter, get your glove on.
Come on, Bryce. Let it go, buddy. Let it go. There you go, Bryce.
That was smoking.
Good job, Bryce. Just let it go, Bryce. Come on, just let him practice.
Man, that was an impressive one.
Home plate, Bryce.
Back, back, back.
Good job, Noah. Way to hang on to that ball. Good decision, Noah. Great job.
Did they hit his head?
Timeout up. Baseball ready, guys. Baseball ready. All right, base is full.
Good job. Good job. Let's go, Hart.
I just want to get out of that situation.
Mm-hmm.
Batting off of that picture.
It worked out.
Bryce, you got
I
to
liked
cover
it.
home plate, buddy.
But yeah, with him, because of the way he pitches, if we crowd the plate,
One
it
out,
forces
guys.
him
Know
to
where
put
you're
it right
going
in
with
there,
the ball.
which you can't really do consistently. Run, 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 run! Go! Go two! Go two! Go two! Go two!
Third base! Third base! Third base!
Give me a 4 run.
Run! Slide! Slide! Boys, come on, Harper. Just put it in there.
That's it. That's over the plate. Drew, we're going to start calling you back up, Drew.
Come on, Jack. It's all ready.
Just get across that plate, Harper. You got this. You got it.
Get in there. Come on, Harper. Go, go, Jack. Hurry up. Go, Jack. Run, 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 run.
Ooh. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Get back up, Jackson.
Let's go, man. Get a hit, buddy. Come on. Hey, Harper, be ready.
That's when it came back to the picture.
Let's go, Bryant.
Last time it was hit
Come on,
back
man.
to the
Get in
picture.
there.
Hey, Harper, you hit to the pitcher last time.
Play. Hey, watch second base, Joe.
Way to get it over there, Brian. First or second, guys.
I need a backup pitcher.
Think about it, Harper. Just throw it, buddy.
Just put it in there. Straight to the glove. Throw it to the glove.
Yeah, catch it!
Go, Ben, go!
Foul, foul, foul. Hey, Harper, way to come up.
Hey, way to get that mask off, Baxter.
Way to come up, Harper.
That's one of those all-day ones. We all had a chance to kind of move and.
Sit on the bench. You can't climb like that.
Head up. Come on, now when it pops up.
Come on, Hart.
A little lower, Harper.
Follow through. Long strides, follow through. Two! Put it on him.
Good relay, good relay. Way to go.
That's a good pitch. That's a good pitch. That's a good pitch.
That was great.
Call it out again, Baxter. They can hear you.
Hey. First. Where's the first? Or second?
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. It's all right.
Good job, Baxter.
Big step. Follow through.
Come on, Grant. Go, go, go,
Good play. Good play.
Good job, Harper.
Call it out, Baxter.
One down, guys. Jack.
Bring it first.
All right, Miles, let's go, buddy.
Harper, good job,
Last time
buddy.
he hit the center field.
He hit the center field.
Evan.
Evan, get ready.
Good pitch, Harper.
That's it, Harper. Now you feeling it. Now you feeling it.
Back up, Evan.
You're good. Back up. Back up. Back.
Go, 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 go.
Hold it.
Eat it, eat it.
Hey, one down, guys. Plays it first.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Let's get him out at first. Tag him, Brian! Tag him!
Tag him!
That's 3. We can take this. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. No, we're okay.
Where did he hit this last time?
On first base.
He hit the first base last time. Jackson.
Yeah.
Hey, Drew. Little this way. Jackson.
Come on, Noah. Base it, buddy.
Come up some.
Whole time.
And every other pitch was
Let me stop it,
All
back.
over.
Let me stop it.
jumping. I was leaping
You get it?
four over my head.
Okay. Get the ball.
Come on, guys.
That's sloppy.
Focus on this one.
And one of the things I do is in the 15 when the run limit
Mhm.
doesn't exist,
Mhm.
you want to have a situation
Mhm.
Yeah, Harper.
So for him, we have to bring him in early if we're gonna bring him in at all. Yep. Yep. I got
He
you.
hit last time, first base.
Yes, sir.
He hit the first last time, remember?
Get ready, P.O.
Just like that.
There you go.
Oh.
He's going. He's going. Tag it. Tag it. Yeah, good play.
Good play.
There you go, guys. Good play.
Drew, you ready to back up? You ready to back up? You hit pitch last time.
Back up, Jim.
I like having this information.
I know it helps, doesn't it?
It's all right. It's all right.
It's okay, Harper. Take a deep breath, bud.
Keep your head in there, Jake. Shoulder to shoulder, buddy.
Ah.
Good eye, Jake. Good eye.
Harper.
Harper, right to the mitt, buddy.
Harper. Big stride. You got this.
Take a breath.
Good eye,
Mhm.
Jake.
Stop, Baxter.
Good eye, buddy. Hey, first and second, guys. Let's go. One more out.
Okay, Harper, speed it up a little bit if you need to. First and second, boys.
Call it out, Baxter.
Okay, he hit the
Come on,
second.
Carter.
He hit
Hustle
the
up.
second.
Go.
The second. It's coming up the middle, Joel. Watch out.
Up the middle. He got the second last time.
Hey,
Bryant, slide over that way a little bit.
anything.
Carter. Evan, sports fans, come up some, Evan.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Speed it.
All right. Good throw, but
Baxter, that's how you do it. You just got to do it quicker, okay? Hey, throw is perfect. Let's do it quicker next time. Place it first, guys. Go after the batter, bud.
First base.
Come on, Carter.
Sports fans, Drew.
Good pitch. Good pitch.
That's a good pitch.
You got it on us.
That was a very good pitch.
Over the top, bud. Over the top.
Follow through on it, Harper. Long stride, follow through.
A little faster. It's a little lower, Harper. It's over the plate. Just needs to be a little lower.
Go, Jake. Go, 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 go.
Home!
Oh, oh, oh.
You all right? You're all right. Let's go.
Good pitch, Miles.
Got to bring it in. That's inside pitch.
Let's get him on this one. Come on, talk it up, Dragons. That's all right.
Sorry, Miles, settle down.
It's all right, Miles. Run on
Come on
first,
down.
guys.
Good,
Run
good,
on
good.
first. Be ready.
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Watch it, Miles.
Miles, that's fine. Just settle down.
Huh? Listen. Ready?
Hey, Grant, Jake, you got to cover second base, all right? Back each other up. Rispy, you got to back up second. That's all
Oh.
right.
Come on. Come on, big man.
Second time we've been hitting the same place.
Don't worry about it.
Here.
Well, shoot, put some ice on that when you get home.
For next one.
Okay?
You ready? Ready to steal, Brian?
Good pitch, Miles. Good pitch.
Let's go, E.
Jake, you ready, buddy? Baseball ready, guys. Baseball ready. Hold it. Hold it. Good job, Noah. Smart behind. Go home plate, Miles!
Hit the dirt.
Hey, timeout out. Hit it, buddy, come on!
Let him hit it, Miles. The pitch, Miles.
Pitch, bub.
Same place.
Ready? Go. Go. Last batter.
All right, Miles, come on, buddy.
Come on, Drew. Good swing. Good cut. Good cut.
Pitch,
Good
Miles.
pitch, Miles. Jack, you ready, buddy? Jake, baseball ready. Home plate, home plate, home plate, home plate. There you go, Miles.
Ball game.